I got banned, so I didn't drive it too much.
Why did you get
1,000 miles speeding.
Oh, really?
38 on a 30, 35 on a 30. I want to be close to 80 as possible. So anything around there, I'm happy.
So if I gave you 60,000 and 80 pounds?
I would just drive away. Straight away.
I remember you had a, was it white X5 or silver X5?
That was my first car in my life. I didn't have car.
I remember.
Yeah, because I've been a biker all my life.
Yeah.
And then I got my first car at 30, 36 now.
Okay.
Yeah, it was this X5.
And then you moved to this?
I stepped it up, I got him 5 F90 before that.
Yeah.
I was no fun, and then I'm like, let's get something more exotic.
And how was it?
Yeah, super, I love it. But I'm moving back to Greece now, so yeah, 15 years here, next week.
You're not coming back to the UK?
I don't think so, unless the tax and all of that becomes a bit more friendly.
Okay, brilliant. So yeah, this car, the year, the miles, talk me through it.
2016, 45,000 miles. Yeah, sounds incredible, but I got banned, so I didn't drive it too much.
Why did you get
1,000 miles speeding.
Oh, really?
38 on a 30, 35 on a 30.
Oh.
And lost it. Second time. So yeah.
38 and 30 and
35 and 30. Yeah. And on the court they said, maybe it's your high performance car that did you this. And I'm like, no, it's the speed limit that you're putting on the roads.
I thought you were speeding, you were doing 150, 140 somewhere.
That's it. No. Yeah. Just locally. That's it. So yeah, I didn't have too much time to enjoy it, but when I drove it, yeah, I really
was
liked
it. Good? Was it worth the money?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's why you pay for these little experiences. Yeah, even if it's for a short time. Yeah.
100%.
You cannot be driving fast with these cars anyway. In general, a little short run.
You start with it driving fast, and then eventually you don't mind. It's just there.
Yeah, and you are just happy with a little press of the gas for like 5 seconds.
Because everyone thinks you want to race every 5 minutes. It's not true,
about that. Yeah.
When you know you have the power, you don't need to use it.
Exactly.
Bought it with the wrap, or did you wrap it?
I did the wrap. Yeah, that's the only thing I did. The wrap.
And the interior colour.
Brown interior. Yeah.
Looks nice with the. It looks nice with the blue, no?
Yeah, matching, I think.
And then
B&O speakers. You have speakers here as well. I don't know if people know that, but it's sound coming from the seat itself.
That's why you didn't hear the 38 and the 35. You had the music on too loud. But you didn't do the door shuts. No,
didn't do that. If I knew this is an option, I would have done it. I just went to collect the car and it was like that. But if someone is
where did you buy it from, Mike?
Private. Okay. From a guy. Yeah. He was just parking it outside.
Yeah.
On a neighborhood, and I was like,
I think the colour, you know, when the sun out makes it look so nice.
Yeah. To be honest with you, before I bring it here, I was just checking the weather. I'm like, let me try to bring it on a good day.
100%.
So it looks nicer.
What did you pay for it when you bought it?
75 and a half. Yeah.
Really?
75 and a half. A lot or little?
What, so you've only done 1,000 miles?
Yeah.
It's good if you genuinely paid that, then obviously.
When I was second last year, the prices now they have all gone up a little bit.
So how was it when you had a look at it at the time, a year ago?
It was white and it was very good condition.
Did you look at other ones as well?
Yeah, this was like middle price.
Was it?
Yeah, for these miles. Yeah.
Have you tried to sell it anywhere else?
No, just came straight to you. I thought since we are neighbors, I know you. I'm saying why not? Let's try. Yeah.
Now he's working me up.
You offer me good money. No, genuinely.
He's doing that Greek thing, you know, where they try romanticize you and tell you. Then when he's gonna go, he's gonna say, "Fuck that guy."
And I did the all of these details. Yeah. So originally the car is white with these silver details, but I think it's not matching at all how they've done it. There's a bit online. I see people do that, and I think it's matching much more. At least
the colour combination
in
looks
the
great.
eye, yeah.
The colour combination looks great. The only thing, I'll be honest, super honest, the only thing that lets it down is the shuts, the door shut, because I just think when it's white, I don't know. Some people are not too bothered because they know it's originally white, but I think that's the only thing. But it's weird because it kind of goes with the car. The colour of the wrap is so nice. Mm-hmm. Where do you want to be money-wise?
I think I want to be close to 80 as possible. So anything around there, I'm happy.
So if I gave you 60,000 and 80 pounds?
I would just drive away straight away.
What do you think? What would you take?
Higher the better.
Of course, the lower the better.
Yeah, obviously.
You gotta be fair,
I cannot drive it now. So I'm banned.
You already told me that. Yeah. That's why I know.
But next week I get back the license. So.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
What do you think it sells for?
From what I've seen online, they are the cheapest was like Spyder. We're talking about Spyder, yeah?
Of course, yeah.
75 is the cheapest with more miles, without full exhaust. Whoever drives this car,
do you know what
takes the roof down, takes the glass down, press the gas. This is a dream. What better car can you get in the 75 range? Like as a whole experience, yeah? Because the car is the engine, is the sound, is how you feel inside it, how it looks, yeah. Minimal design. I think that was the best era to design cars around the mid 2010s.
What do you reckon?
So yeah,
63. Good.
too super low.
What do you think?
I'm sure you can do better.
I mean, I can, but if I want to.
You want to because you like the car. Last service was with Audi, and then when I bought the car, I did one which it wasn't needed.
Yeah.
Myself, like locally, just to be, peace of mind, to have peace of mind.
You know what it is with a wrapped car? Some people really like it, but then when it has little blemishes on the car,
it can always come off if someone likes white, which I think really matching. I have pictures of how it looked before, and it's spotless. There is only one mark at the side skirt. Is how you call it, side skirt? Yeah, which was done by me, and then I replaced the film somewhere here on the white, and then the rest of the car is amazing. So if someone wants, very easily we can peel it off and enjoy it as white.
I think it looks nice in blue.
Yeah, I prefer.
Did you pick this color?
Yeah.
You don't have an R8, you want it to be like that.
Yeah, it's like exotic. It's an exotic car, so yeah.
Looks like it should be in Miami.
Exactly. Maybe I should go to Miami, or Greece. Yeah.
What do you think? Tell me a price you're happy with, then I'm happy.
70. Done.
70.
Yeah.
I think you got like a sign from God because it says 66 on your plate. Look at that, subliminal messaging. What do you think? 66?
68 and a half.
68 and a half. What do you think, Mo? Is that good?
I think 60. 64.
64?
Yeah.
For too low.
He's on my team.
Of course he is.
66.
Are you Pakistani or Indian?
Indian.
Indian. So you eat Greek food?
I eat Greek. I eat all food.
Yeah?
I eat all
Super.
food.
All right, I'll bring you a card. Let me give me 1 sec, because I want to give you a card as well. 30% friends and family. So we can say 68 and a card to my restaurant, And 30%.
68, why not?
All right, come on, let's do it. A good person.
We have one restaurant, it's called Mythos. It's in Chapel Allerton. We have another one in Hyde Park, same name.
What's the most popular dish?
You eat pork?
No, I eat pork.
Pork heroes you're gonna love.
Yeah. What's the best dish people say is
To be honest with you, everything is very nice. Depends what you like. We have more lean things like skewers, chicken. We have moussaka. I don't know if you heard of that.
Of course I have,
Yeah, all right. We won a couple of awards.
Yeah.
Best from Deliveroo in UK 2021, 2024.
Yeah.
So yeah, you should come.
Definitely. We'll come and try it, man. Much appreciated.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, though.
Nice to meet you too, brother.
If they see the video and they say ranch, how much discount will you give them? If they say ranch, send me here.
30%. Yeah.
You just gave me 30%.
I don't. I'll change it 50%. Whoever says ranch on the...
It's going to add 10%.
10% extra.
Pay for the discount.